Hello YouTubers, this is Givezoa. I have a review of this little rotary phone. I don't know who the manufacturer is. I think it says DDD something. It's an old-fashioned office rotary phone. It's your standard dial, move rotary phone, I guess. What do I want to say? It works. Call from the public, yeah. It'll make a call. It rings very loudly. Let me see, get it.
Sub-search order regarding bodyguard termination clause. Clearance rep with pen. Identification number required. Incorrect. No, not no.
So there you go. Let me see. This will not work on digital phone or a digital phone line. So if you had Roadrunner, Vonage, Bright House, Comcast, anything like that, it will not work. This will not function properly or handle the line properly. If you're on a standard line that where you have two phone lines or a fax line, this will work on that. So Rotary has been very outdated. So it has a nice little extension cord. I got a very long cord attached to it. I'm a sucker for these old-timey phones. I love this phone. The ringer volume is on the back. So, nothing special. It's just an old-fashioned office rotary phone. Black. You rarely see these anymore. Just blow that off. And the cool part is if you dial it, let's say if you pick it up, dial number and hang up, it'll call back. Or if I do this. Let me see. It's not doing it. Usually if I would have dialed this, my fax machine would flip out. Alright. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show off this. I love this phone. If I do find out the brand name again, all the stuff will be updated. But until then, it's a no-name phone. Yeah, can you imagine if we still had to go by these? Yeah, alright. If we had to spell Givezoa. Holy crap. 7. Good luck. Alright, okay, I'm done with this phone. I can't really review it. Whatever, 10 out of 10. It's a nostalgic phone. I love it. Leave me alone. This is Givezoa. Rate, comment, subscribe, and purr. And this commercial's funny, by the way. Just so I should run out this randomness. Alright.